ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ISTV Manipuri pau minyang tabiraba punamapu taramna okjari ngasigi marui papauda Assam Rifles na mayumdagi kauthokriba mioi ama lalhobani haina police da sinaramba thawongbu yaningdaba phongdoktuna warukok Santipur da khongjak changsinkhre Pau sandukna pizari Shugunu Kendragi Manung Chanba Warukok Santipur Laikai Athokpam Anan Apopa Laikhidraba Lukhoibu Assam Rifles na Yuma Matakpiu Haina Kauthoklaga Pukraba Matung Pripak Progi Overground ni Haina Sugunu Police da Sinaramba Thong Yaning da Phongdoktuna Miyam na Wakan Mifam Stathakre Sugunu Warukok Santipur Community Hall da Stathakiba Wakan Mifam Aduda Anan Athoba Matamda Condition Yaudana Thadau Mahak Micham ni Haiba Placard Sing Thetki Nupi Amana ISTV News da Phongdorakpada Tha Asigi Tang Kuntaru Nongalamdai pung anirom taba adwaida pangal tabida leiba kunithoi suba Assam Rifles ki kangbu ama laglaga mioi amagi yum takpiu haina kauthoklaga pukhibani anan mayum makai panduna machamasu leiraba mioi ni nga gi farm tawduna hingnana ba honariba misak amani asigumba mioi amada maral pisinduna phaba punba yaningde mahaku thadok taba tarabadi akanba khongjang changsingani haiki Anan giloina binasu mahaki mapuroiba kanagumba lup amataga samnaba mi nate imung manung puba ngamnanaba kanna sunomduna leiriba mioi ni haiki
ngai da laaga namna pore sai su tum ngai da ado wai jangai ne baba piu na kappada ingonda anjanbada ai kamaina yum da jandaro ngara da ngasi ho ya ngai do kappada baba piu na kappe ai kariya na kumdu ai bang Kara dura tadong piro ay dahil ay sorry.
Yarinde
Anan
mararage
Isam phaba
Yarinde
Anan
mararage
Tha asigi tang kuntarukta thambal chingyadagi chanambam gambini bu thangna thinduna hatpada chenabani haiba mioi ama ngarang miyamna phubudagi laikannaba ngamdana laikhidre hairi laikhidraba mioi asigi maming oinam amujau chahi kun apokpa pakpi wabagai lamdeng chingdagini mahaki mayumsu miyamna ngarang athengbada sidokre hairi Ngasi amasung haying Imphal da pangthokadoriba All India State Government Employee Federation gi miphamga Manipur Government ki employees singi apex body ama oina leiriba Joint Administrative Council ga karigumba hiram amatada mari leinade hairi JAC gi member amatana asigumba mifam asida yauroi Kanagumana JAC asigi maming season aduna yawba tawiganu Kanagumana JAC gi banner makhada amadi letter head na chingba season aduna JAC gi mingchat sokadaba thong satharam labadi makhoi gi mathakta thabak lokhatkani hairi amuka na taram okchari Portraits and landscape ki matangda nongmagi oiba advanced photography workshop ama classic hotel da pangthokre Nikon India Northeast Division sinba workshop asida mioi nifurom na saruk yakhi Nikon India Northeast ki area manager Kumar Keshor Kalitana workshop asidagi photography gi chapchaba khangdaba yadaba singadu khanghanbani makhatana Kolkata dagi akhang ahising kauduna December thada su amuk Imphal da pangthokani haiki
In Manipur and in Imphal, we have a very good response of photography, and there is a great group going on. Everyone is interested in photography, so we have tried to do this, and we are getting very good response today. The seats are almost full. We have around 40 seats. It will go up to 50. We are doing a full day workshop, including lunch and all, so that participants are comfortable. They enjoy the workshop and they learn. We have a dedicated technical team member who has come all the way from Kolkata and is here for 2 days. He'll take them for our training, stay here. Any doubts, he'll help them. And then we have next workshop again in December.
Hindustan Coca-Cola na saba maza mango drink ta kokphai manba polam yauramba thengnare Hai mahi si singjongmai gi mafam amadagi mioi amana thaknaba leirubada kokphai amadi amuba polam kya yawba thengnakhibani hiramasigi matangda mari leinaba department na midyang changhaningi hairi Kunithoi suba sector gi kuntaret suba Assam Rifles na longchai khulda sana khotna bagi polam kya khusinakre Soibam Laikai da Leiba Usus School gi mangarak suba chahi mapung pharak bagi thauram school asida pangthokre thauram asida education S ki director oiramba W Rajen amasung Okram Henry Susaruk yakhi school asigi aphaba mahiroi singda mana mathum piduna pungning thogatkhi Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Person Manipurna Thanga Tera Khongsang Bimadi Kwakta da Leiba Disabled Oiraba Mioi Singda Masa Masana Haijaba Thabak Singgi Darkar Oiba Machak Sing Yenthokre Mioi Yankhai Romda Center Asigi Secretary Premier Yauna Center Asigi Mihut Singna Chatuna Yenthokibani Maruiba Pau Amuka na Pizari Assam Rifles na mayumdagi kautoki ba miyoy ama lalhaubani haina pulista sinaramba thawongbu yaningdaba fongdoktuna Warukok Santipur da khongjang changsinkre. Mideng tabiri ba punamapu amukan khurumjari.